Tang hadin kat tu kat ni kenta balara no ya uba H Bansiodor Nonglang Chairman ke Green Tech Foundation GTF Shapo Hospital namar ka jing telot hadin ka jinga ki shat ngan ke balanek dai sngi u Secretary General ka seng uba Ritri Lingdo ula pun bena ba un sedang ya ka jinga ki ba klemput ban persya ya ka jing temu ban pentre ya ka project kam jungo kai bat ka jing ai wai ba Henry Post nam ya udolon nong lum pong deng kakot ke kya jong chairman kalanang her arson bat ngila sedang ban khuslai kham tam e ka jingnong jingman kabala ban kta e ka jing im jong u ong uba ritre habakren shakilat thai ku bor ha ka khat nyo trik ya yong bat ru ngi shap tiang la da chairman jongi undu bor namar ka ni jing sha thangan bat halor ka nongrem jong ka long briu man briu ngila shim ya karai bat ngila kerpat ye u ban pen kan ria no shaka jaka sumar ke bajan tam ula ong haba pen shai baka jinga ki kampat kut satya kumba kalong menta u chairman jongi umpat sange ya ka jing sha thangan lemne layarap ye u da kino kilat ki bala ban ong ba ula pen kut ya ka jinga ki Henry hapadeng kajing sumar udang klan namar undang beteng ya kajing syak tangan na kajaka sumar ula benram. Haba pun benaya la kajong kajing eki uba ritre ula ong. Ngakum u Secretary General ke GTF ngalashim ya karai bashlur bat karai rangba da kabatim ya kajing kta jong karai jonga ban beteng ya kajing eki bajai jai bat ngalapun bena bangan penlong ya kajing eki syak tangan baklemput daduk menta kasnyi tak hadu baka sorkar kan wan ringkan berkejubab syangi ban ong bakila pendam pura kila weng bat penduk no ika jingate soskelar ya ka sernat jong ka jing IT bat ika jingate ban IY ya lumpong deng kabolong ka benta jong ka project resort bat spa halor ka jing penti kena jong menteri rangba ka jelaling baki kot kisla uritre ula ong umentri rangba udai umentri nga kularya phi Henry omdan kanu ke batik na halor ke ke bau ong haba pen pau halor ke shithi na katana tourism ula benrap da ka ba ong hinin kasngi ngila yop diang ya ka shithi na joint secretary in charge katana tourism ha ka ba kila pen shai ba kanam dan kanu ka jingtai hapo dolon nong lumpong deng Henry ngikwa ben bu jingkli bat pen phai kala ya ka jing pen shai ladap him dan kanu ka jingtai kumno pat halor ka jing IY kabab hilayate soskular ber Umyam Hotels Private Limited kabanne hadu kumba Henry Postnam kalong kabam dan nongrim ber kabam dan jingmot pak sorkar kan IT kajaka klem kanu jing tmu ka sorkar ka deban wanda ka bashai namar ka ne kamat kam de shu tang kamat jonga GTF Henry ka de kamat jong ki dong shong shnong ka Meghalaya hi baro ka we ula ong
The health of our chairman after 9 days of indefinite hunger strike has deteriorated very, very negatively, and we had started to be concerned on his overall health, especially his negative effects that would be lifelong. And also, we are scared if our chairman becomes incapacitated due to this hunger strike on humanitarian grounds. As the foundation, we had taken a decision that, and we also had requested him that he may be shifted to the nearest health center. As of now, our chairman has not broken his hunger strike, neither he is being facilitated with anything that can say that he has broken his strike. But even in the midst of medical treatment, he is still strong because he will continue his hunger strike from the medical center facility wherever he is admitted. Regarding the decision of this evening from Green Tech Foundation, I, as the Secretary General of Green Tech Foundation, have taken a bold decision and a mature decision, knowing the repercussions of my decision will continue this peaceful demonstration, and I have announced that I will be on an indefinite hunger strike from today until the government comes with a reply to us saying that they have completely scrapped, removed and revoked the agreement, the certificate of handing over, and the lease agreement of Lompong Deng being part and parcel of the luxury resort and spa. The chief minister, the chief minister, he's a minister of I will assure you, I will ensure you, but nothing is sure about whatever he says. Yesterday also we had received a letter from the Joint Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, Tourism Department, where they had clarified that there will be no construction on Lumpong Deng Island. But we would like to question and retaliate that clarification. If we have no construction at all, what about the lease deed that you have entered into with Umyam Hotels Private Limited that lasts for about 60 years? It makes no sense. It is absurd. It is stupid that the government would hand over a land without any purpose. The government has to come clear and it has to come clean, because this issue is no longer the issue of Green Tech Foundation, but it is the issue of the community of Meghalaya as a whole. See, since day one we have made ourselves very clear. If there is any formal communication for talks or for resolutions, we are open, but everything must be done in writing, formally communicated, and we will attend such invitations for constructive decisions and constructive benefit of the entire community of Meghalaya.